Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel! Today, we're exploring how you can create faceless reels and TikTok videos using only AI tools. Whether you're camera shy, short on time, or simply want to automate your content creation, AI can help you make engaging, viral-ready videos without ever showing your face. From script generation to video editing and voiceovers, I'll walk you through everything step by step. Faceless content has become a massive trend on social media because it allows creators to protect their privacy while still reaching millions of viewers. Many people don't want to be on camera, whether due to shyness, safety concerns, or lifestyle. AI tools make it easier than ever to produce quality videos without filming yourself. This opens content creation up to anyone, regardless of their comfort level with appearing on screen. The first step is selecting the right AI tools. You need video generators, voiceover software, script writers, and music composers. Popular video tools like Pictory, InVideo, and Synthesia let you create videos from text with stock footage or animations. For voiceovers, 11 Labs, MURF.ai, and Well Said Labs generate natural-sounding AI voices. ChatGPT and Jasper help with script writing, while tools like Aive create custom AI music. Combining these builds your perfect faceless video workflow. Content starts with a strong script. AI writing assistants like ChatGPT or Jasper can help you brainstorm, outline, and polish your video scripts quickly. You can ask them to create content based on trending topics, niche ideas, or specific formats like tutorials, motivational videos, or facts. This saves hours of writing time and ensures your videos have a clear message that keeps viewers hooked from start to finish. Once you have your script, upload it into AI video generators such as Pictory or InVideo. These platforms automatically break your script into scenes and match them with relevant stock clips, animations, or text overlays. You can customize colors, fonts, and transitions to fit your brand style. This process turns a plain script into a polished video in minutes, without needing to record any footage or do complicated editing. Faceless videos come in many styles, from kinetic text animations and infographic-style videos to motion graphics and AI-generated avatars. Platforms like Synthesia allow you to create videos featuring AI avatars that speak your script in a realistic way. Alternatively, you can use animated icons, background clips, or abstract visuals to illustrate your message, while keeping your identity private. Experimenting with different styles can make your videos stand out. Voice is critical for faceless content. AI voice generators like 11 Labs, MURF.ai, and Well Said Labs provide lifelike narration in multiple languages and accents. You just paste your script, select a voice style, and adjust tone, speed, or emotion. This removes the need for expensive microphones or voice actors. The resulting voiceover sounds professional and engaging, matching the energy of your video and enhancing viewer retention. Adding AI-generated music and effects. Music sets the mood for your videos. AI composers like Aive, SoundDraw, and Jukebox can create custom royalty-free music tailored to your content's vibe. If you're enjoying this breakdown, hit that like button. It helps more creators see how they can start with AI too. You can select genres like upbeat, relaxing, or dramatic, and get a unique soundtrack instantly. Adding sound effects from AI libraries also boosts engagement. Best of all, these tracks are copyright safe, so you won't risk takedowns or demonetization on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Editing and refining your videos. Most AI video tools come with easy editing interfaces where you can fine-tune scenes, adjust timing, and add captions. Captions are especially important for social media since many viewers watch videos without sound. Automated subtitle generators save time and improve accessibility. With AI-powered editing, you can quickly enhance visuals, fix mistakes, and create a seamless flow that keeps viewers watching until the end. Optimizing for TikTok and Reels. Each platform has unique video specs and audience behaviors. TikTok videos perform best with vertical formats, quick cuts, and trending sounds. Instagram Reels also favor catchy hooks and clear messages within the first few seconds. Many AI tools offer templates optimized for these formats and can automatically resize your videos. Using platform insights combined with AI analytics tools helps you post content at the right times for maximum reach and engagement. Scaling content production with AI. One of the biggest benefits of AI is the ability to scale. Instead of spending hours creating each video, you can batch produce dozens per week by automating script writing, video creation, voiceovers, and editing. This means you can respond faster to trends, test different content ideas, and grow your audience more quickly. Faceless videos produced with AI are perfect for creators, marketers, and brands looking for efficient, consistent output. Monetizing faceless AI content. Faceless Reels and TikToks can be monetized through brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, or product promotions. Many faceless accounts have amassed millions of followers and generate income through sponsored posts. AI tools make it easier to maintain high content volume, which attracts advertisers. Additionally, some creators sell digital products or courses directly via links in their profiles. The faceless trend shows no signs of slowing, offering great business potential. Common challenges and how to overcome them. While AI tools simplify faceless content creation, challenges remain. AI voices may sometimes sound unnatural or lack emotional nuance. Visuals might feel generic if you rely solely on stock clips. To overcome this, spend time customizing voices, mixing music styles, and layering visuals creatively. Keep experimenting and learning from analytics data. Also, engage with your audience by replying to comments or asking for feedback to build community despite being faceless. Future of faceless content with AI. AI technology continues evolving rapidly, and faceless content will only get better and more sophisticated. Upcoming AI models will produce hyper-realistic avatars, fully AI-generated animations, and personalized interactive videos. This could open new creative possibilities for storytelling and marketing. Early adopters of AI faceless content have a competitive advantage, so now is a great time to start experimenting and mastering these tools before they become mainstream. Final thoughts. To sum up, making faceless Reels and TikToks with AI tools is an accessible and powerful way to create engaging social media content. By combining script generators, video editors, AI voiceovers, and music composers, anyone can produce professional quality videos without filming a single second of footage. Whether you want privacy, speed, or automation, AI tools unlock creative freedom and scalability for your content journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more AI-powered content creation tips. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest uploads. Got questions or want me to demo specific AI tools? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy creating with AI.